Hello students, myself Professor J.S. Ahir, working as the head of chemistry department. Today I want to give a brief information about chemistry department. Before that, I will warm welcome you in the department of chemistry by using this e-platform. Students, our college was established in 1969. And these are the silent features of our department, that is qualified and experienced faculty members, academic flexibility, that is optional courses at UG and PG level and adopted choice-based credit system of Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. Commence UGC sponsored career-oriented course, COC and community college courses. Departmental library with research journals, computer laboratory and the networking center. Strong emphasis on research. Central instrumentation center facility with sophisticated instruments. Well-equipped research laboratories. Generated 1.66 crore outlay from various funding agencies and good number of placement of the student. These are the silent features of the department. Now, our department is established in 1969 at UG level, means up to BSc degree. But by considering the need of the students, we have started PG in 1987 in the subject of MSc Analytical Chemistry, in 2001 MSc Organic Chemistry, and 2016 in MSc Inorganic Chemistry. At the same time, UGC sponsored career oriented course, that is Instrumental Techniques in Analytical Chemistry, was started from 2014. In 2015, UGC sponsored community college course, that is Analytical Techniques for Pharmaceuticals, was started. Department is the recognized PhD center from 2002, and from 2014 MPhil recognized center. Then UG course structure. For first year BSc, 3 courses are there: chemistry first, chemistry second and chemistry third. Intake capacity is 480 and we adopt the choice based credit system and semester pattern of Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. Similarly, for second year BSc, intake capacity is 214 and chemistry first, second and practical third. These are the courses run by the department and we adopt again the choice based credit system and the semester pattern. Similarly, for third year BSc, intake capacity is 120 and there are the 9 courses. Out of that, the 6 courses are theory, the 6th course is optional. Student may opt any of the course from the 5 optional courses and 3 practical courses are compulsory. Now for the PG courses, MSc first, Analytical Chemistry, intake capacity is 30, Organic Chemistry, intake 30 and Inorganic Chemistry, intake is 24. Then there are 4 theory courses and 3 practical courses. 1 course is optional and we again adopt the choice based credit system and the semester pattern. For MSc second, Analytical Chemistry, Inorganic Chemistry and Organic Chemistry, 4 theory courses, 2 practical courses compulsory and 1 practical course that is optional. For the optional course, there may be the project work, green chemistry or the industrial training. Additional 10 credit courses for PG are human right and the value education, internet cyber security and the skill development and that is quality control chemist. Now other courses run by the department are UGC sponsored career oriented course, that is the COC, that is certificate 1 year, diploma 2 year, advanced diploma 3 year and it is having the annual pattern. Similarly, the UGC sponsored community college course, that is the diploma 2 year and it is also having the annual pattern. Similarly for MPhil 2 year course and for PhD 6-month course work, it is having the credit system. This is the teacher profile of the department. Total faculty of the department are 22. The department is having the 2 professors, 2 associate professor and 18 assistant professor. The qualification of the teachers is shown by this particular table. That is 13 faculty have got the PhD, 3 having the MPhil, 8 NET qualified NET exam, 7 qualified SET exam and 1 PG. There are the 3 visiting faculty, 13 research guide and 1 emeritus professor. Now admission process for the department is online. Publicity of the courses is done by using the college notice board, newspaper as well as the college website. Admission committee is also formed and it guides the students about the admission process, courses, scope and the opportunity. For the first year admission for UG and PG is totally on the merit base as well as the category wise. For the COC and community college, admission is given by first come first serve basis. For the PhD and MPhil admission as per university and UGC rules. Now this table shows the results of the UG and the PG. The table shows that all the results of the UG and PG are above 90% and university rank holder for the department are 12 and out of that 12, one is the gold medalist. Now our student Miss Swapna Dhaneshwar Kapdi has got gold medal in MSc in organic chemistry and stood first in the entire Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. We wish her a very bright life ahead. You can also shine like Swapna. At the same time, the department also run the Chemiyard examination. These are the gems of our department got the success in the Chemiyard examination. That is every year SPPU conduct the chemical examination and for preparation of this examination special guidance is given by the teacher to the particular students. Now these are the students of our F5 basic chemistry have got the spectacular success in the Chemiyard examination which was conducted by the Department of Chemistry, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune in February 2020. That is Geete Rishikesh Narayan, Platinum rank, Mankoskar, Golden rank, and Nikam Kaji and Patil has got the silver rank. You can also shine like these stars. Now the research contribution. Department is having 13 research guides. Out of that, 41 students has completed the PhD and 28 PhD students are pursuing their PhD degree. 7 students completed their MPhil. Now out of these 13, 6 guides are from the department and 7 are from our associate guides. Students, this is the Central Instrumentation Center. Now in this Central Instrumentation Center, there are the sophisticated instruments like atomic absorption spectrophotometer, Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer, that is FTIR, high performance liquid chromatography, that is HPLC, gas chromatography, spectrophlorometer, UV visible spectrophotometer. At the same time, thermal gravimetric analyzer, DTA TGA, HPLC, surface area analyzer. At the same time, ultraviolet visible spectrophotometer. Students are well acquainted about these instruments. All the information about these instruments is given by the faculty. This knowledge is very useful for the students in their future life. To purchase this instrument, UGC have sanctioned the grant. Therefore, we are thankful to UGC. At the same time, the department is having the departmental library of 221 square feet. There are 320 reference books in the library and the research journals like Indian Journal of Chemistry, Section 1, Section A, Section B, Journal of Indian Chemical Society, Asian Journal of Chemistry, Journal of Chemical Sciences are available in the library as a hard copies. Most of the students are use these copies, and these journals are very useful for the students as well as the research scholars. Now, networking center is also available in the department. That is more than 10 computer with the internet facility is available in the networking center. There are 4 softwares like ChemOffice, ChemSketch, ISIS Draw and Gaussian 9. Along with that, 454 more than that soft copies of the reference books are available in the department. These copies are very useful for the students for their study. Then extracurricular activities. This extracurricular activities, that is science on wheel, is run by the department. It is very important activity of the department. To aware the students about the superstition, this activity was run by the department in the rural areas. So in this, various experiments are shown by the students, and mostly all the students are involved in this activity. That is various experiments like you call it as in Marathi, यज्ञ पेटवणे, केक बनवणे, कपड्याला आग लावणे, हात कापणे, etc. These are the experiments carried out by the particular students in this activity, and how it is possible, how it is done. So the information about all these experiments is given by the students in the department. Then we have visited the schools like tribal school like Mohopada, then the Katsurli, etc. Then in addition to that, department also involved in social activities like cleaning, tree plantation, then AIDS awareness rally, social justice rally in the society. These are the gems of our department, that is alumni of the department. Dheeraj Bhatia, HPSF SP postdoctoral fellow, Curie Institute Paris. Sachin Jadhav, scientific assistant, BRC Pune. Satish Jadhav, postdoc. Nitin Sonone, principal scientist. Yogesh Gotekar, Dhanraj Kendre, अप्पासाहेब आवाळे, रामदास आयरे, नरेश बडगुजर, नवनाथ निफाडे, संदीप जाधव. These are the gems of our department. With this brief information, I suppose it to stop here. Once again, I am thankful to you. Thank you very much.